Okay, so let's go ahead and cancel out of that. So let's look at stock from selection. Okay, that's a really important one. So let's go ahead and open up another part. Okay, so what I have here is a series of blocks. Okay, now this becomes very handy if you've got a large part that you want to machine. Okay, let's say you're machining it out of wood, but you don't want to use a box stock because you're cutting a lot of wasted material. You know, if we did a, let's just do a quick box stock. Okay, so here's the box stock. If you machined it like this, you would be wasting all of this material over here. Okay, just cutting it away. A lot of times what users will do is they will glue up a set of wood blocks that roughly is the rough shape of the part itself. Okay, so let's look at the part. So I actually have a part in here. Okay, so let's turn the stock off. So here's our part. That's what we want to machine. So if we would just use the box stock, we would be wasting all of this stock material. Okay, so what you can do is you can actually model your stock. Okay, and then you can use the stock from selection. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I'm going to do stock from selection. Okay, and then turn my stock on. Hold on a second. So you see that I have a stock that's exactly, see, stock, let's turn that off. Let's turn the part off. Okay, so you see that we have a stock model based on the model that we created so that we don't have to waste all that material. Okay, so this comes in really handy if you're machining wood, large wooden pieces. Okay, you can just take some blocks, glue them together, set them up on your router, and then model those blocks in the CAD system, and then use those blocks to define your stock model. So here, any operation that you created from this would be based on just the stock model that you see. To give you an idea, we'll just do a quick horizontal roughing operation and just to generate. Okay, select the tool. So you see that the stock, I mean the roughing operation was based only on the stock from selection stock that we had defined. Okay, if we turn the stock back on, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so it only cut the areas where the blocks were defined. So that's very, very helpful. It saves material, it saves machining time. Very, very, very useful operation to use.